Alright, so for my first game, Alright, so I completed that whole minute. I was 90% correct. I was getting a little confused. Anyways, I know how to add. So I think you just keep going on to levels and levels, and it probably keeps getting higher numbers. So I definitely really like this website, although it doesn't have the creative aspect where I get to create my own. It definitely is applying previous knowledge of math and adding it to a fun way to edutain the students. I think it'd be a really good use for my students. Kindergarten level, I do know a lot of students that still struggle knowing, like counting 1 to 10, so being able to add and subtract, or just add in this case, this quickly, I think would be rather difficult for kindergarten grade. This might be better for first/second graders, especially the first grade kiddos. Overall, I think it's really good. I really like that it shows you the rate that you had, how much you got correct, and the answers. I think that's a really good way to kind of show students, hey, this is where you miss, this is what you need to improve on. So overall, I really like the game. In general, I think this is something that would be good for students. Good way to keep them engaged while working on math as well.